hair in the car because it's been a busy day and I haven't been able to do it. So y'all gonna watch me do it in the car, and then I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow what it looked like when I got my face on and all.
Exactly.
Yeah. This is what I did so far. It's gonna be on my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, I said make a right at the light. No, you gotta make a right.
That's what we can get over. That's what we can we get over?
Oh, I can't even see that.
Can we get over?
Girl, they ain't trying to let us over.
Can we get over? Hey.
My story. I know that is horrible. It would make us look like bad Christians. Actually,
We are not bad.
we're regular Christians and we're human beings, and that's just what happens sometimes.
I really miss my glasses.
Okay, can we go? I'm surprised you ain't. Deja, can you drive?
Girl, I forgot. We was driving. I was like, oh, snaps. They usually drive out to Catalina. Dang it. I was like, but I'm already driving. I can't ask her now.
I'd have been sad because I really wanted to finish her hair.
I know. And then I was like, you know what? She got to do her hair. So I will ask her.
Aww. When we were talking about India and Bangladesh, that guy was like listening to us.
I was like,
and I thought maybe he might be like Indian or something.
he looks Egyptian, actually. That's how Egyptians look.
Rachel, I thought you said they were black.
That's the Nubian Egyptians. That's
Okay. Over there, that's where my mom's is. I'm going there next week. I'm so pumped.
But can I just make a U-turn anyway?
Yeah, if you want the light to flash you.
Oh my gosh, it's so strict out here.
What do you mean? You're in Baltimore County too.
All right, we should just go to mom's right now.
Heck no, I don't have no mom's money.
No, going in 2 strawberries.
I don't think
$14.
I don't think this stuff is that. When I went in there, I really don't think it's that expensive. The face salon, the face care stuff, and the body stuff, it was expensive.
Yeah, if the produce is really.
Make a left, make a right. I mean, my bad.
That's not
Oh, Rachel.
Sorry, let me turn it off. It's just that
I don't know why I'm so hot. Honestly.
because you're ovulating.
I might be. No, wait. No, I just got my period like a week ago.
I'm about to come back on the period. I'm gonna do off my time.
Oh my gosh, Rachel, you're supposed to make a good left.
You didn't tell me.
Just get over. Hurry up. Get over.
Can I come over? Can I come?
Ah! Oh my gosh, that was so scary.
Oh my god.
What in the world did they even let you get? Like what?
I took it.
Oh my gosh, that was so
had to take it.
I thought you were gonna hit the back of that car.
I did too.
I was so scared. Didn't it really seem like 20 minutes that day? It had to be 20 minutes.
With me, you wanna die?
Yeah, it
No,
said
it felt
20
like
minutes,
it was
right?
20.
I could
No,
have.
it was like 45 minutes.
No, it wasn't, because it only takes me 30 minutes to get there. It says 30 minutes when I take the back way. You was ODing. I would, if it said 45 minutes, I was like, well. Alright, y'all. So I just did this first row, and I'm going to finish the rest and come back when I'm done.
Right or left, right or left?
Oh, left. I told you that already.
I couldn't remember. Put the camera on me. Okay, here's what I want to say. I want to say that I'm excited to hang out with my best friend. I'm so excited. And drink this coffee. Thank you, Dave.
Okay, so this is how the hair turned out. I really like this style. It definitely looks like a boho look. I mean, in my opinion, I like the waviness of it. The ends are like really wavy. This hair is really soft. I don't have any tangling, like I can run my hands through it, and it's pretty soft. I got 12 packs, and those 12 packs are literally all in my head. I think there was one pack, one like little strand. I could have put it somewhere, but it was just like that one little piece that I didn't put in. Overall, I don't have any complaints about this hair. It smells good. I like hair that smells good. Am I the only one? If I am, if I'm not the only one who likes smelling good hair, let me know down in the comments. But other than that, I like it. This is, I'm gonna show you guys how long it is. I don't even know exactly the inches, and I threw all the bags away. I didn't even realize it. So I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys can see this is the hair that I use, and this is the name. And yeah, so this is how long it is. It comes, so it touches the tip of my back. But yeah, this is the hair, and it's pretty good. I like it. So also, it's a crochet, just to let you guys know. I didn't individually crochet this into my hair. It's just braids. I did some braids going back. I think I did about 10 braids going back and did the crochet method. Yeah, so you can see my braids. My braids underneath are terrible. Like, I cannot braid my natural hair for nothing. And you can even see here, like, there's like a huge gap right there and right here because of my braid. Right there is bad. But yeah, so I think this hair is like a straight thumbs up. It's a win for sure. And in my opinion, crochet styles can last you up to a whole month, you know, and then you wash it. Another thing about this hair, let me show you guys, is you can take it right out and put it right back in. You don't have to throw this hair out. Let me show you. So if I grab one, I can just take it and just slide it right there. Just slide it right on out. And so if you want, you could wash it probably and then just hang dry it and then reinstall it, which is I usually give my hair away when I like crochet stuff after I'm done with it, but I really like this style and I would definitely try it again. The only thing that I'm having a problem with, because I'm new to crochet styles, is that I don't know if I'm putting too many braids in my hair or what, but it comes out too full and I have to use all the hair. That's the thing I don't like, because I don't like really big full hair. So if you guys have any recommendations on what I can do with these crochet styles where I don't have to use as much hair, or if there's like some kind of way where I can minimize that, please let me know, because I would be doing more crochet styles if it weren't for that. But yeah, I'm considering these the boho passion twists because that's what they look like to me. They're not as messy, but they definitely give that like boho vibe. So also a big shout out to Rast because they're the ones who provided me with this hair again. So thanks again, Rast. I really appreciate it, and I love creating looks with their hair because they have such a great variety and such a great like range of hair. So definitely go over and check their website out. Also, I used Tailored Beauty, which you guys would probably already know if you follow me on Instagram. Also, don't forget to go over to my Instagram at whoisdejalynn, Pinterest at whoisdejalynn. I definitely post like tutorials on there too, and it's easier just to see like a day-to-day of the hairstyles that I'm doing, what's going on with my hair process and all of that. But here is the Tailored Beauty. These products never fail me. She sent them to me last year and I absolutely love them. I use them for all my kids' hair. I use them for my hair, and they're just awesome products. One thing about this edge control that I really love is it causes no buildup. When I put it on my hair, I don't see any type of buildup at all. So that's one thing that I really like about this, and I get great hold with this edge control. So for my hair texture, I use it on my clients too, and I'm trying to think with my 4C clients. I use it on my daughter's hair, and she has 4 type hair, and I didn't see any. I feel like it works just the same. So this is the edge control. This is really good, and it's an all natural edge control, so there's not many chemicals in them. Then there's the Everything Butter. This right here, y'all, this. When I say everything butter, I mean you can put it on your body and you can put it on your hair. I wouldn't recommend putting it on your face because there's coconut oil in it, and coconut oil is not good for your face, but this stuff is amazing. I love using it on the ends of my hair because that's the driest and brittle part of your hair. So at the ends, it never fails me. But this is what it looks like on the inside. This is also all natural ingredients. I think the main one is like shea butter in here, but it is a moisturizer, hair and skin, reduces the appearance of scars, prevents stretch marks, and yeah, so this is the Everything Butter. So if you guys like this style, and yeah, if you like my crazy interesting video, then go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.